Hey guys, it's Ken. So I realized that my PC case was a little bit small and was having trouble keeping my GPU and CPU cool. So I went ahead and got the Cooler Master MasterBox 5, and I'm going to be transitioning my old PC to this new case. So I was going to go ahead and film a time lapse, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
Stop playing with them fools.